16 SP 299, no matter what. The sale is postponed until 12:30 p.m. on the 26th day of April 2016. 26th day, April 2016. Requested no holder. That's for 10,128 support. File number 16 SP 435. No matter foreclosure deed of trust executed by Rodney L. Jones. The sale is postponed until 12:30 p.m. on the 17th day of May 2016 at the request of no holder. This is 1215 Hunter Forest Court, Charlotte, North Carolina. That's all I got.
Sweet. I'll get it.
Bro, that just did postpone it, so you know. Are you looking for something? Huh?
All right, I'm going to kick this off, everybody. My name is Dave Robinson, Nation Direct Student of the Trustee, subject trustee identified a particular no self-suit on County Jail Statute 45 here, property, public document, patterns, and the trustee on the power of sale and foreclosure proceeding. Either the agent, all holder, service, and respected directors, managers, members, employees, agents, representatives making a representation or warranty concerning the accuracy or completeness of any information provided, included but not limited to the condition of the property, condition of the title, description of any property sold today. Any information, documents, and information provided by Box.com or for information purposes only may accurately describe the particular property, condition, property, time of sale. A party makes any representation or warranty concerning the accuracy of this information, which has been obtained by a variety of sources and not been able to be verified. Posting pictures on any website does not constitute a guarantee or representation that by the party of the correct property's picture or any items depicted in the picture will be present when the winning bidder takes possession of the property. All sales subject to current occupancy status of the property. The conclusion of the crime, the notice of sale. I show an opening bid on behalf of the note holder. I should entertain higher bids and increments of at least $100 for every $50,000 assigned to the bid. Per statute, I should require a high bidder to post a deposit of 5% of the amount of the bid, or $750 whichever is greater. In this case, certified funds. If the high bidder fails to present the funds, the proper amount and form property shall be immediately re-offered before sale. Please be advised that all confirmed third-party bids will be responsible for paying the excess taxes on the purchase. The validity and finality of the sale subject to a final determination that the proper bank's case not been filed, which is the state of the sale, and then all notices to the Internal Revenue Service of existing federal tax liens which affect the title of the timely property given. Breach property, clerk superior court may receive opposite bids following sale in court chapter 45, North Carolina General Statutes. All right, first up will be 15 SP 3040. Notice foreclosure sale 15 SP 3040. Under by the Rector Power Sale contains a certain deed of trust made by Frank. Looks like Red and Lily Red to Lawyers Title Insurance Company. Dated 27th October 2006. Recorded in book 21271. Page 873. Mecklenburg, North Carolina. Made the payment of the note thereby secured by the city. Underside Trustee Services, Carolina Alice, and Underside Substitute Trustee Services Incorporated. Having the substitute trustee and entity to trust. Finance is duly recorded in the Office of Registered Deeds, Mecklenburg County, North Carolina. The holder note evidencing said default or evidencing said deadness having directed the deed trust before closing inside substitute trustee will self for us City, Charlotte, Mecklenburg County, North Carolina, with customer location designated for foreclosure sales at 12:30 p.m. on April 12, 2016. And will sell the highest bidder for cash following real estate situated in the county of Mecklenburg, North Carolina, to be more particularly described as follows. When anybody like to meet the management of this property, where the address work? Address will suffice. This property is located at 8142 Sealy Court, Charlotte, North Carolina. Trustee may, in the trustee's sole discretion, delay the sale for up to 1 hour as provided by North Carolina Jail Statute 45-21.23. Should the property be purchased by a third party, that party must pay the excess tax as well as court costs of 45 cents for $100 required by North Carolina Jail Statute 7A-308A1. Property to be offered pursuant to this notice of sale is being offered for sale, transfer, and conveyance as is where is near the trustee and the holder note secured by the deed of trust security agreement, or both being foreclosed, nor the office's attorney, directors, attorneys, employees, agents, or authorized representatives, either the trustee or the holder of the note making any representation or warranty related to the title, or physical, environmental, health, and safety conditions existing in on at or linked to the property being offered for sale, and any and all responsibilities or liabilities arising out of any way or relating to any such condition expressly or disclaimed. Also, this property is being sold subject to all taxes, special assessments, prior liens, encumbrances, or encumbrances of record, and any recorded releases. Said property is also being sold subject to applicable federal and state laws. Deposit 5% of the purchase price or $750, whichever is greater, is required and must be tendered to the former certified funds at the time of the sale. If the trustee is unable to convey title to this property for any reason, the sole remedy of the purchaser is return to the deposit. Reasons such inability to convey include, but are not limited to, the filing of a bankruptcy petition prior to the confirmation of sale, and the reinstatement of loan not known to the trustee. The knowledge of the trustee, the validity of sales challenged by the party, the trustee, and the sole discretion, if they believe the challenge to have merit, may request the court to declare the sale to be void and return the deposit. The purchaser shall have no further remedy. All right, folks, just to give you a heads up. If you're placing a bid on the property and you're the high bidder, you don't have the funds on you, and somebody bids against you, it's going to revert to the next highest bidder. Okay. All right. So, on behalf of Nation Star Mortgage LLC, I've been authorized to start bidding for this property at $318,059.75. I'll take bids in increments of, let's see, that's 2, 4, what's that, 500? $500. $319.
$320.
$320. $321.
$325.
$325. $326. $330. $331. $331,000. Any of the bids? $340. Any of the bids? $340,000. Going once? Going twice? Third and final call. Sold this gentleman amount of $340,000 at the time of 12:40 p.m. Subject to receipt of funds, sale be held up before 10 days as law required. All right, next up will be 13 SP 5849. Under by the virtue power sale containing the certainty of trust made by Shelley L. Wilder to Andrew S. Martin, trustee, dated the 14th day of September 2006, reported in book 21079, page 418, Mecklenburg County Registry, North Carolina, default made the payment of the debt of the city trustee, undersigned trustee services, or substitute trustee services incorporated, having been substituted trustee and city to trust. Bond instrument duly recording the officer registered deeds, Mecklenburg County, North Carolina, holder note evidencing said indebtedness having directed deed to trust be foreclosed. The undersigned substitute trustee will sell the quarters for the city, Charlotte, Mecklenburg County, North Carolina, or the customary location designated for foreclosure sales, 12:30 p.m. on April 12, 2016, was the highest bidder for cash. The following real estate situated in the county of Mecklenburg, North Carolina, be more particularly described as follows. Would anybody like to meet the bounds, or the address suffice? If you're filming me, sir, it's against the courthouse. Are you filming? Okay. Address will suffice? Excellent. This is 6911 Lakeside Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina. Also including a portion of lot 48, block C, is shown on above referenced map, being the same property made in book 11420, page 502. And book 21079, page 414. Trustee may in the trustee's sole discretion delay the sale for up to 1 hour as provided North Carolina General Statute 45-21.23. Should the property be purchased by a third party, that party must pay the excess tax as well as court costs of 45 cents per $100 required by North Carolina General Statute 7A-30881. The property be offered pursuant to this notice of sale being offered for sale, transfer, conveyance as is where neither the trustee nor the holder of the note secured by the deed of trust security agreement or both being foreclosed nor the officer. Direct its attorneys, employees, agents, or authorized representatives of the trustee or the holder of the note make a declaration of warranty related to the title or physical, environmental, health, or safety conditions existing in all that or related to the property being offered for sale. Any and all responsibilities or liabilities arising out of in any way or relating to any such condition expressly are disclaimed. Also, this property is being sold subject to all taxes, special assessments, prior liens, or encumbrances of record, and any recorded releases. Said property is also being sold subject to applicable federal and state laws. A deposit of 5% of the purchase price or $750, whichever is greater, is required and must be tendered in the form of certified funds at the time of the sale. The trustee is unable to convey title to this property for any reason. The sole remedy of the purchaser is to return the deposit. Reasons of such inability to convey include but not limited to the filing of bank petition prior to the confirmation of sale and reinstatement of loan without knowledge of the trustee. But if the limited sale challenged by any party, the trustee with sole discretion, if they believe the challenge out of merit, may request the court to declare the sale to be void and return the deposit. The purchaser shall have no further remedy. All right. On behalf of Bank of America N.A., been authorized to start bidding for this property at $105,600. I'll take bids in increments of $300. Any other bids? 105.6.
$1. Lawful money.
All right, that works for me. 105, 105.601.
$1 and lawful money.
No, that's unacceptable bid.
I have lawful money in my hand.
That's an unacceptable bid. I'm afraid I can't take that bid.
I have lawful money in my hand.
I understand you have lawful money. That's an unacceptable bid. So I've got $105,600.
You're refusing my lawful money.
$105,600 going twice.
Are you refusing my lawful money?
Third and final call.
Are you refusing my lawful money?
Sold back to the beneficiary in the amount of $105,600 at a time of 12:44 p.m. Sale will be held up before 10 days as law required.
May I have a copy of that paperwork?
Absolutely. I can give you a copy of that. It's public record. It's in the file.